Ah, sorry about this, dear viewers. It keeps going off on me. Anyway, this is what I've got. A VW Caddy crew van from 2019 or 2020. I'm not sure which. It's got the proper tailgate and rear view, which is really rare for a van these days. Very nice seats. It's only got 5 gears, which is rare for a 2-litre diesel, but good seats. And it doesn't look like it's been that hardly punished either. So, just before we board, and here we go. It's got a good loud reverse. Sorry dear viewers, I made a bit of a mess of parking this just now. I was in a slightly embarrassed mood. But she's out. And she's sound. Gear change is nice and smooth. What's that buzzer? Shut up, man. It's just what we've come to expect with driving these. Which way is best for the M6?
I'll tell you in just a second, mate. In there, leave side. Lovely. Right, if you turn right out of here, mate.
Yeah.
You'll go down to first set of traffic lights is lights for TK Max. You can't turn right up, well you can't turn left because it's now entry.
Yeah.
You come to another set by home serve. If you turn right,
yeah.
As you come to that island, take the second exit.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see Sainsbury's in front of you. Take the right at that. It'll take you down to the island, which is towards the M6, mate. It should be signposted from
Right, that's fine, thanks.
It's quite easy.
Yep, cheers. Okay, here we go. And this engine hasn't been ragged either, which is, again, rather nice.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks. A lot of people are picking up right now, as you might be able to see. As well as that Citroen relay with practically no compression in front. Sounds like it's really running on 2 cylinders. I like the higher up driving position in this, I must be honest. You know, it's higher than a Transit Connect and higher than a Vauxhall Combo. I think they raised it without spoiling the ride quality. And this has got a steering wheel a bit like a Golf GTI. It's got the flat bottom to it, so you can tell when you're on full lock or otherwise. It's quite a discreet engine for fizzing around town. so I'm learning my way around, admittedly quite slowly. But it's a nice place to be in. Very nice and roomy, and it does feel a lot like a people carrier. I wanted a crew van like this, but the hell's expensive to insure. That's the trouble. Just as he said. Probably feels a bit springy and bouncy because it's running light, and they're designed to lug things for a living, so I expect if I had half a ton of bricks in it, it'd probably ride more van-like than it currently does. As I say, this is my first time in Warsaw, so I'm still learning my way around. Don't know whether it'll be my last or not. Gear changes smooth, but slightly notchy. I think it's probably because it's been sitting around and it wants to get some more back through the gears. Now, dear viewers, we see what she's like. Lovely. I am very impressed. Today's been quite a treat for me as well, truth be told. I had a lovely train ride down here. That's my old job. I don't share with you what else I've seen on this trip there, viewers, but that will very much be a story for another day. Anyway, what I can tell you about this crew van is it's got really good visibility. It's very comfortable to sit in. There's lots of room everywhere. I mean, the loading bay is absolutely fantastic. It's bigger than a Transit Connect, I should think. Or as Transit Connect equivalent, I should say. I mean, these are mainly used for wide load escorts and possibly small police van duties. Anyway, I think I'm going to hit the Midlands rush hour traffic. So this is going to be a good test of how it is going through. And this is an ordinary diesel as opposed to a Blue Motion, so none of the messing around that we tend to get with most of the others. We'll betide you if you spilled that blue in the Blue Motion diesel, that's all I can say. that seems to be all I can share with you for now. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Hello for now.